GRE Vocabulary. Abrogate. Meaning: cancel, deny, repeal. Sentence: the government decided to abrogate the outdated law. Blasphemy. Meaning: speech which offends religious sentiments. Sentence: laws against blasphemy exist to protect religious sentiments. Credible. Meaning: believable. Sentence: she is known as a credible journalist with years of experience. Enigma. Meaning: puzzle, mystery. Sentence: the ancient script is still an enigma for researchers. Harbingers. Meaning: indicators, bringers of warnings. Sentence: dark clouds are harbingers of an approaching storm. Labyrinthine. Meaning: complicated, highly convoluted. Sentence: the detective worked hard to solve the labyrinthine mystery of the case. Nuzzle. Meaning: cuddle, snuggle. Sentence: the child nuzzled into his mother's arms for comfort. Plaudit. Meaning: statement giving strong praise. Sentence: her research work gained plaudits from senior scholars. Reprehensible. Meaning: shameful, very bad. Sentence: the officer was dismissed for his reprehensible conduct. Tardy. Meaning: slow, late, overdue, delayed. Sentence: the employee received a warning for his tardy arrival to the office.